Xin chào. Welcome to Think English once again. My name is Kissy, and in this video, I will be taking you through tiếng, Book 1, Unit 5. If you are ready, let's begin. Unit 5. Our focus letter is the letter I. The letter I, like any other letter of the English alphabet, it can be written in two different ways. The big I and the small I. The letter I is sound in two different ways. Let's take a look. This is our small I. Here it is sound I here. Ice cream. In the second sound, it is sound A. 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 And this is where our lesson is focusing today. A, as in pizza. Pizza. Right. Let's take a look at some few words that have the sound A in them. A, king. Chicken. A, fish. A, chips. A, milk. Milk. Is pizza. Is pizza. B is kit. Biscuit. B is kit. Biscuit. Let's go through it one more time. Chicken. Fish. Chips. Milk. Pizza. Biscuit. Good. Well done. My, what's this? Milk. Good. Some milk. Some milk. John, what's this? Chicken. Good. Chicken. A chicken. A chicken. Miller, what's this? Fish. Good. A fish. A fish. Lily, what's this? Biscuit. Good. A biscuit. A biscuit. What's this? Jack? Chips. Some chips. Some chips. Good work. What's this? Jake. Pizza. A pizza. A pizza. Good. Now, let's practice our vocabulary with some structures. I like. I like. I like Mela. Good. So read for me. Okay, not I like a pizza. I like pizza. Good. I like pizza. John. Good. What do you like? What do you like? I like pizza. Good. Mike, what do you like? Good. Jake, what do you like? Good. I eat pizza for lunch. I eat pizza for lunch. Lily. Julia. Good. I eat pizza for lunch. Good. When do you eat pizza? When do you eat pizza? Oh, I eat pizza for lunch. I eat pizza for lunch. Max, when do you eat pizza? Good. Mela, when do you eat pizza? Okay. Jake, you do the next one. It's spicy. Jake. It's spicy. Good. Taste. Okay. How does it taste? It's spicy. Good. Alright. Now I will demonstrate with this, with our structures. Look, listen, and follow. What do you like? What do you like? What do you like? Oh, I like biscuits. I like biscuits. When do you eat biscuits? When do you eat biscuits? I eat biscuit for snack. I eat biscuit for snack. How does it taste? How does it taste? Oh, it's too sweet. It's too sweet. Good. Now your turn. Okay, so let's begin. What do you like? Jack. What is this? My chips. Good. What do you like? Good. I like some, you remember, some chips. I like some. Good. I like some chips. When do you eat chips? When do you eat chips? I eat chips for snack. Good. I eat chips for snack. How does it taste? How does it taste? It's spicy. Good job. Now, our picture recognition. What is this? Miller. What do you like? Good. I like chicken. When do you eat chicken? Good. I eat chicken for lunch. How does it taste? It is spicy. Good job. Okay. Jake, what is this? Milk. Good. What do you like? Good. I like milk. When do you drink milk? I drink milk for breakfast. Good. How does it taste? It is sweet. Good. What is this? Mimi. Good. It is chips. What do you like? When do you eat chips? How does it taste? Good. Great work. John, what is this? Good. What do you like? When do you eat fish? How does it taste? Good. It is spicy. Great work. Oh, okay. Who is this? Julia. Good. So you can say he is Tim, and you can say this is Tim. Okay? Let's do a review of everything we have learned today through a quick game. So I have jerseys here, and we're going to select my best player. Okay? And there are questions I will ask you on them. Okay, here we go. We're gonna pick from number 1. What do you like, John? Great, I like milk. When do you drink milk? Good, I drink milk for breakfast. How does it taste? It is sweet. Good, it is sweet. Great job, John. Okay, so I'm gonna pick one from here. Okay. What do you like? When do you eat chicken? How does it taste? It is spicy. Good job. So let's pick number 3. Okay, Jack, what do you like? When do you eat pizza? How does it taste? Good job, Jack. Okay, let's come to number 2. Mimi, what do you like? When do you eat fish? Good. And how does it taste? Good. It is spicy, or it's spicy. Okay, so let's pick number 8. Julia, what do you like? When do you eat biscuits? How does it taste? Good. Number 4. Okay, so you are going to do number 4. We won't do number 4 in class. So I'm going to ask you and you have to answer. Are you ready? Okay. What do you like? I like some chips. I like chips. So good. Okay. When do you eat chips? I eat chips for snack. Good. How does it taste? It is spicy, or it's spicy. Good job. Great work. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video and being part of our class. Just take 2 seconds of your time to hit the notification bell and the subscription button so you can get notification anytime we upload new videos like this for you to practice with us. Thank you very much, and it's a pleasure learning with you. My name is Kissy. Hi, Kissy. See you in the next video. Tambiet.